Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Netflix black screen error. So, let me show you an example. Let's open our Netflix app on our mobile device. And as you can see, this is the Netflix home page. It is currently showing all of the TV, series and movies. But for some people, this screen will not show and only a black screen will appear. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix the black screen error. So the first thing you want to do is open your Play Store or App Store and then search for Netflix. And now as you can see, my app is not up to date as it is showing the update option. So we'll tap on the update option and update our Netflix app to the latest version. In many people's case, the Netflix screen won't show up because the Netflix app is not up to date. So once you update the app, the problem might be fixed. So let's wait till the Netflix app is updated. And now once the app is updated, we'll simply open it. And now as you can see, our home page is loading up, meaning there is no problem. But if your problem is still there, what you can do is go to your settings. After that, go to apps and now scroll all the way down until you find Netflix. Now once you're in this page, tap on Force Stop, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then go to storage. Now try clearing both the cache memory as well as the entire data of your Netflix app. And now once you've cleared all of the storage, reopen your Netflix app. And now log into your Netflix account. Now once you've done this, your black screen error will surely be fixed. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.